Okay guys, as we all know, my videos are mostly for the professionals. Okay, um not mainly for navies. To replace your water pump for Range Rover, here is the water pump. I already removed it. I'm sorry, I couldn't take you through, you know. So you have to remove your fan and every other thing in this compartment that's blocking it, including your tensioner. You have to remove your belt tensioner, okay, and also so many other things. I'll show you. Yeah. So your belt roller, your tensioner, your belt and everything. Then you get to this part. This part is a complete part like this. So you can easily order for this and replace. So it goes in here. Okay, it goes in here like this. It goes in here like this. Okay, like this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'm sorry I couldn't explain better. Just the location I want to show you guys, and it's not really easy making video and working at the same time. Thank you.